Welcome to the special edition of Let's Talk About Prohance. Today we have special guests from Primer BPO and Talk BPO. We're going to talk about their journey in terms of using Prohance and how they've actually benefited from it. I am Sachin Machanda. I'm the country manager and vice president for Prohance for Southeast Asia. Today we're going to talk about how our next generation WFM software helps our customers. So we have both back office and also front office solution. We're not your run-of-the-mill or any ordinary time tracking tool, but a full suite of workforce management features. So tune in for more information about us and how our clients are benefiting from us, and at the same time listen a bit more about the industry. So tune in. Hello everyone. Thanks for joining Sachin Machanda here. It's a great, wonderful afternoon, and we're here to kind of talk about a few things, with Primer BPO and also Talk BPO. What we're going to talk about today is more about, the improvements that people have actually seen in a productivity perspective for using Prohance, and at the same time also kind of hear from Rob and Mike in terms of their journey with us. And super happy to be here to be talking to these wonderful two gentlemen. I'll let them introduce themselves. So Mike, over to you.
Lovely. Thanks very much, Sachin, for having us here today, and great to be here as well with Robert. Mike Conroy, I'm the co-founder and director of Talk BPO. We are an Irish company, and we have been offshore now for around 16 years. Primarily, we started off in the IT BPO industry, and then we pivoted back in 2019 to artificial intelligence and robotic process automation, and now obviously with Prohance as a partner for workforce management. So great to be here.
Glad you're here. And just a quick question to Mike, along the same side. From an industry perspective, everybody's saying AI, 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 right? Anywhere I go, any of the events and conferences, everybody's talking about AI, AI. Sometimes I feel like it sounds like I, right? But my question in specific is, although the AI, adoption has been slow because there are only big companies who have dedicated funds to kind of, implement AI, right? How are some of the small, medium BPOs reacting to the AI scare? When I say scare, okay, should I invest in it? And if I invest in it, will I get the benefits or not? And if I have to really look at the benefits, how long do I have to wait, right? Yeah. But at the same time, you'll possibly also have your employees thinking, oh my, am I going to lose my job?
Yeah.
So what are your thoughts around it?
Yeah, a great question. And I wish I had $1 for every time someone said that. The fearmonger aspect of AI, is it going to take our job? So, at the end of the day, there is that possibility. But the fact of the matter is that the people who are actually going to be involved in AI and machine learning, those people are actually going to be trained on that industry, and they're going to be upskilled in that industry as well. But let's just come back to Prohance, and I think I mentioned it earlier. One of the great attributes of Prohance is that it allows you to optimize those processes before you actually consider going into machine learning or AI or robotic process automation. So basically, you're getting a bit of an understanding of what processes need to be optimized.
Right.
And once you've optimized those processes and you see the KPIs with the data analytics that's produced by Prohance, then you're not doing that garbage in, garbage out. You actually have informed data, right? So this is where, Robert and I gelled, and we realized this is the solution. This is Prohance. But not only that, Prohance gives you an ROI within 30 days, 90 days. You see it right away.
Yeah.
For less than $30, a license per month. Where on the contrary, if you look at artificial intelligence, we've got to take into consideration, especially in developing economies, that labor arbitrage does come into play.
True.
So the salary can be slightly lower versus paying for that automation. So we will get an ROI in a developed economy in Australia within 3 months. For us to get an ROI, say in the Philippines, you're probably looking at maybe 6 to 12 months. So that's what you're basically looking at right now.
Well, thank you, gentlemen, for your wonderful time today. And it was a wide range of topics that we actually spoke about, both industry and in terms of, Primer BPO and how Prohance has helped you guys. So I wish you all the best, and see you guys soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Thank you for having us.
Cheers.
Thanks very much.
Thank
Cheers,
you.
Sachin. Appreciate
Take it
it.
easy.
Thank you for having us, Sachin.
Cheers.
Cheers.